No music this time, very short. From the Gospel of Mark, chapter 4, the Joe Friday version. Just the facts, ma'am, assuming there are such things. One day, when evening had come, Jesus said to his disciples, "Let's cross to the other side," meaning the other side of the lake, though that the disciples would later be confused about that, about what Jesus meant by crossing to the other side. That the disciples would be confused about that is not surprising considering what followed. Jesus may have meant the other side, for what followed was a great windstorm, waves sloshing into the boat, though not so much they woke up Jesus, who was asleep on a cushion in the back. Indeed, the disciples had trouble waking him up, though finally they did manage. Then Thomas Didymus, the only one that dared, asked, "Rabbi, you don't care that we're about to die?" Jesus looked up at Thomas and around at the other disciples. "Shh," he said. "Calm down a minute." In that same minute, the storm began to abate. "Jesus," Thomas said. "Jesus."